Hello everyone, myself Pradeep Purohit recently qualified as a cost and management accountant. So within 2 or 3 minutes I will try to clear all the doubts related to June 2021 term of examination. So many people are saying that examination is going to be cancelled just like last year and it will merge in December 2021. So whether CBSE examination is got cancelled or it got postponed, our examination is going to be held as per the timetable given by the institute. So still timetable is not given by the institute, but we can expect a examination will be held very soon. So there will not be any cancellation of examination. Remember that there will be a examination for sure. So you have to keep on studying because there will not be cancellation of examination. So we can expect a postponement of examination of few days or a few weeks because of still result is declared little bit late and still examination forms are not available. So we can expect postponement for sure, and there will be a postponement and there should be a postponement, but examination cancellation will not be possible at all. This is professional examination and it will happen, and it will definitely happen. So first point I have cleared with the examination is not going to be cancelled. There may be and there should be a postponement for sure. So we can expect a examination in last week of June or first week of July. That may be the postponement. I am not saying that there will be a correct date. I am not saying here. So we have to wait for the official notification related to timetable and all that. So I will update you whenever the examination form will be available. So stay tuned and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. So if you haven't pressed the subscribe button, then make sure you press the subscribe button so that you will get all the updates and information. Second point is form of examination. So 1 month earlier I have said that examination is going to be conducted in offline form. So but at that time the number of cases of COVID is not more just like today. So today we have noticed approx 2,60,000 cases of COVID. So COVID is spreading very speedily. So we have to take care of ourselves, our family as well. So you have to remember that, take care of yourself and your family as well. Examination will come and go. It doesn't matter. Our life is not more than examination. So you have to remember that point. Examination will happen as per schedule. That may be a postponement for sure. So if we want to talk about the form of examination, so considering the current situation, there may be a online examination, there may be a home based as well, because the student are not required to be suffer because of that COVID and all that. So examination may be a home based, may be a center based, and may be a offline. So all the options are available with institute. Institute will definitely look into all the matters, and it will issue notification very soon. So we can expect a notification before the end of this month. So we can expect a notification, and after declaration of notification we will definitely can say the examination will be home based or center based, or it will be online or offline. So looking at the current situation, we can expect online examination. So there may be only center based online examination. So I would like to say there may be a postponement for sure, but to look into form of examination we have to wait for the official notification. So whenever the official notification will come, I will definitely let you know all the things related to examination. So you have to keep on studying, make your plan according to, you have to make both plan. For plan A and plan B you can make accordingly for online examination and for offline examination. So whenever institute will issue notification, you have to execute your plan accordingly. So I have to conclude my all the things. So stay tuned for all the updates and information, and press the bell icon if you haven't pressed. So take care of yourself, because COVID is very dangerous compared to last year. So take care of yourself and your family as well. So thank you, bye bye, and take care. All the best.